How do I add PayPal to Apple Pay?
Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we are going to be exploring how to add your PayPal account to your Apple Pay. This will allow you to easily and securely use PayPal for transactions where Apple Pay is accepted.
What do you need beforehand?
Before we start, make sure you have the latest version of iOS on your iPhone and you're signed in to iCloud. You will also need your PayPal login credentials to proceed. Having these handy will make the process much easier.
Open your Wallet app.
Firstly, we need to access the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where you'll be adding PayPal. Just find the app on your home screen or in your app library and tap to open it.
Tap on the Add button.
Once you're in the Wallet app, you need to tap the plus button or the Add button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the process of adding a new card or account.
Choose PayPal.
The next step is to choose PayPal from the list of payment options. If PayPal doesn't show up as an option, this means that adding PayPal to Apple Pay is not available in your region.
Sign in to PayPal.
After selecting PayPal, you will be prompted to sign in to your PayPal account. Simply enter your PayPal login credentials.
Authorize PayPal with Apple Pay.
After logging in, you will need to authorize PayPal to be used with Apple Pay. You'll likely need to agree to some terms and conditions. Make sure you read them carefully.
Confirm your information.
Lastly, you will be asked to confirm your information. Once confirmed, your PayPal account should be successfully added to your Apple Pay. And that's it. You've successfully added PayPal to Apple Pay. Now, you can enjoy an even wider variety of payment options when using Apple Pay. As always, remember to keep your financial information safe and secure. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.